Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
So my battery is on, I guess, 6% or 5%, and I have to meet Rushil right now. I asked him to get the charger, so I'm just recording before my charging runs out. Anyways, today is a good day. Shout out to Refine, their website launched. Menas did an amazing fucking job on it. Website is beautiful. So if you're watching this, go check out their website, www.refine.com. Man, I'm super excited for how their website is going to develop. It started off with a bang. They already got 4 sales when I was with Menas, so that is interesting. Anyways, I wanted to put out a quick message. This message applies to any individual or any business owner. Basically, I started my own digital marketing company called MNV. However, what I'm going to say next is not related to that, but I want you to understand there is a context behind what I say. I'm not just blabbering out random shit, but I'm going to put out what I genuinely know. Anyways, coming to the point of what I wanted to talk. Basically, I wanted to address any individual or business owner who wants a brand strategy or a marketing plan or just marketing help. If they're looking for this kind of help, I would request you to hit me up. This is not going to be paid. It's going to be free. I just want to give out my knowledge and value, whatever I've learned for 1.5 years. Although I've done BBA for 3 years, I went into marketing, the entire field of marketing, learned more about it only for 1.5 years now. And I've used that for my own startup, Make Me Garden. It has worked out insane. I used that even for Refine. It worked out insane. And right now I'm going to use that same thing for MNV and see how great I'm going to scale it. So I'm super excited for that. However, I want you guys to understand, you can hit me up. I want you to hit me up, basically text me saying that, hey, I require this kind of help in marketing, and I'm down for it, man. Let's plan up something. Let's plan up a video call or an audio call, or if you're in Hyderabad, let's meet in person and let's discuss any marketing plan or any marketing help you want. That is basically it. So that is exactly what I was looking into. I just want to give out whatever I've learned to whoever requires it. Again, you might have a question of why the fuck is he doing it? I have no reason, I have no intent of gaining money out of this. Again, as I mentioned, I've only learned for 1.5 years. So not everything that I know works, but few of them really do work. Now I want to work with several different people in different fields and see how good are my plans or how good are my strategies. Basically, it'll be like a proof of concept. And for you, you may ask yourself, why will I even go to him? Well, if you do not know anything about marketing, or if you just have basic knowledge about marketing, it would be helpful for you to speak with somebody and, do something with somebody who knows marketing, or who's at least learning more about that specific thing every single day. That is exactly what I will be providing. Whatever I learned, I will be telling you. Literally, whatever I know, I will literally be telling you every single thing. However much that maybe, it may not be much, but I still do know quite a bit. And whatever I've learned and applied for Make Me Garden, and I've learned and applied it in Make Me Garden, and shit has worked out, man. I've produced insane amount of money. Okay, when I say insane, my insane is still in lakhs. So, doing lakhs in second year of college, or when I say lakhs, it's just 3 or 4 lakhs, but still doing that was good amount for me. So, you only start there and you learn more, work with more people and grow. So that is exactly my intent. I want to speak or meet with people who want help in marketing. I'm totally down for that, man. So if you're watching this and if you're looking forward for somebody who would help you out with marketing, or just give you a marketing plan or a strategy or advice, that's me. You can hit me up. I will provide you with everything that I know. Now, If you remember, I mentioned I started MNV earlier. The reason I mentioned that was whatever I'm doing right now, I am going to sell this to companies too. So how am I going to sell this? Consultancy. I have a marketing firm where they, plan and execute on what has to be done. However, if you do not want all of this, I have consultancy too, where brands or people can approach me and get my opinion or my consultancy on specific things, whatever they want. So this is what I'll be offering to people. But what I am telling you right now is I have no problem whatsoever to just tell out everything I know for free. I absolutely give. Again, the reason I told you I'm going to sell this consultancy course to people is whoever can afford will afford it, but the people or the companies which cannot afford, I will still offer them free consultancy. So that's the thing. While I'm anyway offering these people, I thought of putting this out there so that anyone who requires help will hit me up. And I'd love to work with you, man. That's something I really want to tell. Because recently, just 2 days ago, one person texted me on Instagram saying that, can we have a meetup where I want to discuss marketing and I just want your opinion on it. I think that's a really good thing, not just for them, but also for me, because I get involved in new ventures or new businesses and new fields basically, which will also give me the experience. So basically that is my video for today. And if you really want that help, hit me up, or if you know anyone who requires that help, just share this video around. It'll be helpful for both of us. Thank you so much. And if you're still watching it, all of this video at 6 minutes 23 seconds, thank you so much for watching this. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe, or if you haven't liked, please like, because I get to know who's watching, who's not watching, or are they just bot views. Thank you.